Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. My name is T and I am a new nail enthusiast. This is the set that we're working on today, minus the pinky, girl, the drama. But first, we got to have a drink. Y'all already know today I'm doing ranch water, which is agave and lime. And I kind of understand why they named it ranch water, because agave gives blue vibes and it's smooth like water, it's clear like water, it's vodka and tequila, so it's very much grown and sexy. I'm more of a fruity drink type of person, but this was that girl. I'm gonna go quick. So the first things first, we're gonna be using these 3XL square. Nope, no, you messing up my thing. I already marked off where I'm going to be filing my nails. I'm using my e-file. Again, you don't have to use this. I'm just trying to figure out which works best for me. And the e-file was that girl this time, so I may use it going forward. I'm going to use different nail tips in different videos, but girl, I'm feeling it. I love Salon Square. She is that girl. I'm going to take this hand file and file off that little tab that be on the tips. Next, I'm going to take some IBD gel and go ahead and place one layer on the back of the nail. This helps harden the nail, give it some stability and sturdiness. That way it has a chance to last. Y'all, this Sab ranch water, baby, got me tilting. Do you hear me tilting? Next, I'm going to go in with this Millie no wipe top coat, because the IBD gel does leave a sticky layer. So to avoid the whole alcohol wipe and all of that, I just go ahead and put on a no wipe top coat. Period. Next, I'm going to go ahead and flip over the nail and buff off the top of the nail. I'm using a hand file, which is 600 over 3000. It's literally a buffer block in a nail file form. Again, you don't have to use this. I know in the last video I used the e-file. This time I wanted to do a hand file. This literally takes like 10 seconds. And this is how clean it gets. I'm going to go ahead with some alcohol and a Q-tip and wipe off those excess dust particles. You don't want to contaminate any of your products. Next, I'm going to go in with this gel polish by V-Shine. It's a milky white color. It doesn't really have a name, but I numbered it myself. And I went ahead and did 3 layers of this, and then I cured it for 60 seconds. Next, I'm going to go in with my black and yellow chrome from Savvyland. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on my mixing palette. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, this ranch water got me bent. I'm not even playing. I'm not even playing, girl. It's crazy. I'm going to go in with my dotting tool. I'm going to go ahead and put in the yellow dots randomly throughout the nail. I try to be strategic, but girl, it was not working out like that. I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to come back and draw my black lines using a detail brush. The detail brush that I have is really not about nothing, but since I'm a beginner, that's just what it is for right now. So anyways, like I was saying, I have a teacup Chihuahua and a pit bull bully mix. And girl, they just be going at it. I'm like, y'all ain't used to each other by now? I mean, when I tell y'all they be going at it, they be going at it. I'm going to try to insert a video. If I don't insert a video, then my bad, y'all. I literally have no space on my phone. I have to delete everything to get this video up. So y'all better like or comment or something. Jeez. Next, I'm going to go in with my black gel again, and I'm going to do some fall paw prints randomly throughout the nail. Again, I try to be strategic, but girl, I really don't know what I'm doing, so it just is what it is, okay? I want to share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Next, I'm going to take these gems. I think I got it on a kit. It's from Amazon. Girl, everything from Amazon, period. And I'm going to be using my Bell Boost Rhinestone Glue Gel to apply the rhinestones. I'm going to be using my wax pen to pick up the gemstones, of course. It came in a kit. Link in description box. And I'm just going to take my rhinestone glue gel and apply it randomly throughout the nail. Apply my stones and then go ahead and cure it for 1 minute. Alright, so boom, this is how the nail is looking after being cured for 1 minute. Next, I'm going to go in with my middle finger. My ring finger and my middle finger is the same, so I went ahead and completed the ring finger first. Now I'm going to go ahead and complete the middle finger. I prepped it the same way I did the thumb, and I'm going to be using a French manicure sticker to do my guidelines because me and straight lines just don't get along. But I kind of wanted to do a diagonal French tip, so that's why the sticker is placed the way that it is. I did 2 coats of the Savvy Land Chrome Yellow, and then I'm going to do just a basic design on the clear part as I did on the thumb. I'm going to cure that for 1 minute, and then I'm going to go ahead and place a top coat, and then I'm going to go ahead and place my gems. So I'll let y'all watch from here on out.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my.
Alright, you guys, so here's what the set is looking like so far. Y'all, when it came to this pinky and the pointy finger, it just gave me so much drama. So for my pinky, I attempted to do this Marvel-esque look, but me not thinking black and yellow makes green. So the nail was giving green, very much green. And it was throwing the entire set off. So I just went ahead and redid it and did the same design on my pinky as I did on my thumb. And then as far as this pointy finger, that was just complete drama as well. I'm only leaving this part in so you guys can see how I achieved the fake encapsulated type of look. But when I first did this, because y'all already know I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just really experimenting, trying to see what is going on with things. So I put the gel polish down first, and when I went in to apply the stickers, it was just giving me problems because I should have put the stickers down first and then applied a gel coat on top of that, then applied my little glitter sparkles or whatever the case may be. Then to top that off, once I get to filing, I'm watching something on Tubi, and I filed it down too short, not paying attention. So it was like super shorter than the rest of the nails, y'all. Then after that, I knocked over my gem box. And this gem box has like 12 different colors in it, 3 different sizes for each color. And once that happened, I was just done. I'm like, you know what? It's time for me to take a step back. That ranch water, baby, do not play. But I wanted to keep this part in here just so you guys can kind of get an idea of what I did to, you know, get the encapsulated thing. So I'll definitely do this again when I'm not so tipsy and watching TV and trying to do a million other different things. But I'll go ahead and show you guys what the final set looks like here once I get done with this, and then we'll go ahead and jump right into the try on.
Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas brown, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. PT, 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one hoodie, it's a plain shot.
Alright, so boom, this is the final look. As you can see, my middle and my ring finger, I took the French tip down a little bit further, and I also removed the little leopard print. And then my thumb, I took off the rhinestones. It's plainer this way, but I feel like it looks much cleaner. Let's jump right into the try on. Boom. It looks so good. I had so much fun making this set. I cannot wait to make my next set. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comment section, and I will see y'all in the next video.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. PT, 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me.